everybody, welcome back to my channel, Make Life Simple with Sandy. Y'all, I am trying my hand at a sheet pan dinner, but my chicken legs are so big and there's so many, it's gonna be called a 2 sheet pan dinner. So I'm gonna have to put my vegetables on another sheet. So, but I've had these in probably about 20-30 minutes, and I just took them out and flipped them over. I had some Worcestershire sauce on them and some soy sauce, and I've had them marinating all day, and I've just come home and I was just flipping them over and fixing to stick them back in the oven, and they are smelling good, other than some of the, looks like some of the soy sauce that I poured over them is kind of burnt. So I'll be back to show you the rest of it later. This is going to be my 2 sheet pan dinner because my chicken legs was too big and I had too many. I sprayed that, and I've got green beans and Brussels sprouts in here, and I'm going to put some olive oil and season them up and put them in there and get them in the oven, and I'll show y'all what it looks like when it gets done. And I have got the Brussels sprouts and green beans. I've tossed them in olive oil and seasoned them up, and they should be ready shortly. And I'm fixing to test the temperature of these. I think these are done. I'm not sure. They look dark, but I think it's the soy sauce that's kind of burnt on them. We'll have to. Y'all, I had to put the chicken in there for just another minute. Some of it was like 160, 158, something like that. So I want to make sure and get some of those bigger pieces done. So, and the soy sauce has burnt on that parchment paper. So that's the reason they look like they were way overdone. And I will show you what it looks like when it comes out. All right, y'all, here it is. This is my green beans and Brussels sprouts. Them some of the smallest Brussels sprouts I've ever seen. I got them from Schwann's. And then here is my chicken. Y'all, it looks like it's burnt, but it's really not. It's got that, everywhere looked like I had soy sauce, it kind of got dark, and then the paper's really dark. So, but they're good and done, and we are fixing to have supper. But thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.